Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming the exact Outlook account type because Exchange behaves differently than a map. Once done, make sure your device is signed into your Apple ID and the OS is up to date to avoid compatibility issues. Enable two-factor authentication if your organization requires it and generate an app password when necessary. Now open Apple Calendar on Mac or Settings on iPhone and prepare to add the account. This immediate action prevents common sync hiccups and sets up correct permission prompts. You now add the account. On iPhone, choose Exchange under Add Account, and on Mac, pick Microsoft Exchange and Internet accounts. Enter your email and password or use device single sign-on. When prompted, give calendar permission so events can sync. Next, select which calendars or folders to sync to avoid clutter. If using an app password, paste it in place of your normal password. Once account settings confirm connectivity, wait a minute for initial sync and check that recent events appear in Apple Calendar. You finish by verifying defaults. Set the Outlook calendar as your default and confirm time zone support is enabled so events appear at the right time. If events are missing, force a sync by toggling calendar off and on for the account or restart the app and device. Make sure folders you need are selected to sync and that server addresses match your provider. If problems continue, remove and re-add the account or contact your admin. This resolves credential or server misconfigurations most of the time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.